1. Mount Everest is the highest mountain above sea level. 2. Its summit is 8,848.86 meters high. 3. It lies on the border of Nepal and China. 4. It's called Sagarmatha in Nepali. 5. Tibetans call it Chomolungma. 6. Everest grows a few millimeters every year. 7. It was first climbed in 1953. 8. Sir Edmund Hillary and Tenzing Norgay were the first to summit. 9. Over 6,000 people have reached the top. 10. It takes about 2 months to climb. 11. The death zone starts above 8,000 meters. 12. Lack of oxygen makes it very dangerous. 13. Climbers use bottled oxygen to survive. 14. The summit is the size of a dining table. 15. It's part of the Himalaya range. 16. Everest formed around 60 million years ago. 17. Jet streams can cause hurricane-force winds. 18. Temperatures can drop to minus 60 degrees Celsius. 19. The best climbing months are May and September. 20. Avalanches are one of the biggest threats. 21. Khumbu icefall is extremely hazardous. 22. Around 300 people have died on Everest. 23. Many bodies remain on the mountain. 24. Helicopters struggle at high altitudes. 25. Everest Base Camp is at 5,364 meters. 26. There's a north and south route. 27. The south route is more popular. 28. Climbers must acclimatize slowly. 29. Altitude sickness is common. 30. Frostbite affects fingers, toes, and noses. 31. The youngest person to summit was 13. 32. The oldest climber was 80 years old. 33. Kami Rita Sherpa holds the record for most summits. 34. He has climbed Everest over 25 times. 35. Sherpas are essential to most expeditions. 36. They carry gear and guide climbers. 37. Base camp has internet and bakeries. 38. Some climbers ski down Everest. 39. A paraglider once launched from the summit. 40. Scientists install weather stations on Everest. 41. The mountain has marine fossils on it. 42. The rock is mostly sedimentary. 43. The summit is composed of limestone. 44. Satellite phones are used to communicate. 45. Nepal issues climbing permits. 46. Permits cost thousands of dollars. 47. Everest is a huge source of tourism income. 48. Trash is a growing problem on the mountain. 49. Expeditions must bring back their waste. 50. Icefall doctors maintain the climbing route. 51. Drones are now used for rescue and mapping. 52. Yaks transport supplies to base camp. 53. Snowblindness is a serious risk. 54. Sunburn can occur even in the cold. 55. Everest was first surveyed in the 1800s. 56. It was once called Peak Sift 18. 57. It was named after Sir George Everest. 58. The first woman to summit was Junko Tabei. 59. That was in the year 1975. 60. A full Everest climb costs tens of thousands. 61. Climbers need serious physical training. 62. Most expeditions are commercial. 63. Crevasses can swallow climbers. 64. Tents can be blown away by wind. 65. People have attempted to climb in winter. 66. Winter climbs are much more dangerous. 67. The highest weather station is on Everest. 68. Glaciers on Everest are shrinking. 69. The mountain is a sacred site. 70. Prayer flags are common at camps. 71. Ladders are used to cross deep crevasses. 72. Ropes are fixed by guides before climbers ascend. 73. The Hillary Step was a famous rock face. 74. It may have changed shape after the earthquake. 75. Earthquakes can trigger avalanches. 76. In 2015, a quake killed many at base camp. 77. Everest attracts climbers from all over the world. 78. Expeditions include cooks and porters. 79. There are health clinics at base camp. 80. Climbers need to carry personal tracking beacons. 81. Wind chill can make it feel much colder. 82. Climbing Everest can take weeks of preparation. 83. Some climbers document their journey online. 84. Documentary crews have filmed on Everest. 85. Special gear is needed for extreme cold. 86. Ice axes are essential tools. 87. Climbers must wear crampons on their boots. 88. Every year, hundreds attempt the climb. 89. Lineups near the summit can be deadly. 90. Summit success depends on weather windows. 91. Wind speed and oxygen levels are monitored daily. 92. Some people train in hypoxic chambers. 93. Some climbers write books after their ascent. 94. Photography on the summit is very tricky. 95. The air pressure is about 1/3 of sea level. 96. Even breathing is exhausting at the top. 97. Summit fever pushes people beyond limits. 98. Everest has inspired films and novels. 99. Every climber has a different motivation. 100. Standing on Everest is a lifelong dream for many.